Today, we're going to show you how to make your own Ethernet cable. It's easier than you think, and you'll save money doing it yourself. First, let's gather all the tools and materials you'll need. Here's what you'll need. Ethernet cable Cat5 or Cat6. RJ45 connectors. Crimping tool. Ethernet cable tester, optional but recommended. Got everything? Great. Now, let's move on to the next step. Prepare the cable. Take your Ethernet cable and use the wire stripper to remove about 1.5 or 2 inches of the outer jacket. Be careful not to cut too deep to avoid damaging the internal wires. Once the jacket is removed, you'll see 8 smaller wires inside. These wires are twisted into pairs. Separate and straighten them out. Next, arrange the wires in the correct order. For a standard T568B wiring scheme, the order from left to right is 1. White orange. 2. Orange. 3. White green. 4. Blue. 5. White blue. 6. Green. 7. White brown. 8. Brown. Trim the wires to make sure they're all even and about half an inch long. This will make it easier to insert them into the RJ45 connector. Now, carefully insert the wires into the RJ45 connector, making sure they stay in the correct order. Push them all the way to the end of the connector until you can see the copper pins through the front. Crimp the connector. Place the connector into the crimping tool and squeeze firmly. This secures the wires in place and connects the pins to the wires inside. Double check to make sure the wires are properly seated and secured. Repeat these steps for the other end of the cable if you need a complete Ethernet cable. Test the cable. To ensure your cable works correctly, use an Ethernet cable tester. Plug both ends of the cable into the tester and check for continuity. All the lights should light up if everything is wired correctly. And that's it. You've successfully made your own Ethernet cable. Easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.